EFCC urges court to reject Sanwo-Olu's suit against possible arrest, calls it speculative, and now to the news info. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has urged the Federal High Court in Abuja to reject a fundamental rights suit filed in the name of Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu to stop possible arrest by the Anti-Graft Agency. In his counter-affidavit opposing the suit, the EFCC described the legal action as speculative and a mere conjecture. I don't understand why they even want to. It's still the governor. Shebi they say governor used to have immunity, and that if you are still there, they cannot do anything until you leave. So why are they trying to arrest him? What has he done? Yeah, Shebi Sanwo-Olu is trying his best now. So why did they want to arrest him? What has he done? EFCC filed its objection on 31 October, a day after the Lagos State Governor disowned the suit on behalf of Mr. Sanwo-Olu. The Lagos State government, through its Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Lawal Pedro, issued the denial in a statement maintaining that Governor Sanwo-Olu never engaged any lawyer to file such a suit and had no reason to do so. We need to clarify that Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu at no time sued or briefed any legal practitioner to file a suit on his behalf concerning the above subject matter. The statement reads in part, I don't know even if he's guilty of anything as long as he's an APC member. Assurance covers him because every APC member wants to do anything. Once you are there, you have the right to go scot-free. Shebi Yaya is still working freely now. Everybody that does something, they run under the umbrella of APC so that they'll be free from whatever it is that they have done. But I don't know what Sanwo-Olu has done. They've not really said what he did to really justify if he actually did it or not. So we are waiting to actually know what he did for EFCC to be after him. Our correspondent cannot immediately verify if the suit was withdrawn after the Lagos State government distanced the governor from it on 30th of October. It is a severe professional violation for a lawyer to file a suit on behalf of a person without being engaged by the person. Meanwhile, the News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) reports seeing on Monday EFCC counter-affidavit filed in court on 31 October, a day after the suit was denied by the governor's camp. NAN further reported that when the suit last came up on 29 October, the judge Joyce Abdulmalik adjourned until 26 November. NAN, however, gathered that those hearing notice has been served on the parties ahead of the 26 November proceeding, the suit may be withdrawn by Mr. Ozurumba by then. The Newswire reported that Mr. Sanwo-Olu, through his lawyer Darlington Ozurumba, has sued the Anti-Graft Agency as the sole defendant over alleged threats to arrest, detain and prosecute him after his tenure as governor. Yes, why are you doing that? Why are you threatening to arrest him? What has he done? Is there any count against him? Is there anything that he has done that you want to arrest him for? Has anybody reported him? Did they say he stole money? Did they say he stole Lagos state funds? Why do you want to arrest him? Why are you threatening his tenure with an arrest? For what? The originating summon marked FHC/ABJ/CS/773/2024 dated and filed on 6 June raised 7 questions and sought 11 prayers. It sought a declaration that under and by virtue of the provision of Section 37 of the 1999 Constitution, the plaintiff as a citizen of Nigeria is entitled to rights to private and family life as a minimum guarantee. Encapsulated under the Constitution of the Republic of Nigeria, 1999, before, during and after occupation of public office created by the Constitution. The suit also asks the court to declare that based on the community reading of the provisions of Section 35, subsection 1 and 4, and 41 subsection 1 of the Constitution, the threat of its investigation, arrest and detention by the EFCC during his tenure of office as governor is illegal. It is illegal actually. What did he do? At least he must have done something before you say you want to arrest him, you want to prosecute him for something. Why? What has he done? You should let us know as citizens. Abi, we don't have the right to know. We have the right to know what he has done. You cannot just say, oh, because he's a sitting governor, you want to go and arrest him. The governor prayed the court to declare that the incessant harassment, threat of arrest, and detention against him upon the EFCC instigation by his political adversaries based on false and politically motivated allegations of corruption is a misuse of executive powers and abuse of public office. Therefore, the suit sought an order restraining the EFCC from harassing, intimidating, arresting, detaining, interrogating, or prosecuting him in connection with his tenure as the governor of Lagos State, among others. I don't understand EFCC. Are they now going after people that did not do anything? Because what has Sanwo-Olu done? At least he's trying his best in Lagos State. He's trying, no. So if he has actually done something, they should allow us know, so that we will know exactly what he has done. However, the anti-corruption agency opposed the suit in its counter affidavit filed by its lawyer Adiza Afegba on 31 October, a day the Lagos State government distanced Mr. Sanwo from the suit. The filing said, contrary to the governor's claim, the EFCC neither threatened, invited, nor took any step at all to encroach on his right to freedom of movement, nor violated his right to private and family life and personal liberty. So who is making the allegations? Who are the ones making the allegations are threatening him that they want to arrest him? The EFCC did not threaten him. So who is threatening him? We don't understand again in this country. EFCC is not threatening him. They are not trying to take over his tenure. They are not trying to detain him or anything. So who did that in the first place? Who announced it in the first instance? There must be an altar of truth there. They want to start hiding and disguising that they didn't do it. EFCC, come out straight though. We don't know what is happening. In the application, Ufama Ezire, a superintendent and litigation secretary in the Legal and Prosecution Department of EFCC, who swore to the counter affidavit, denied the claim in the suit. So they are now denying it. So let's just assume that it never happened. They never threatened to arrest him. They never threatened to do anything. Maybe it was a mix-up somewhere, because obviously it is. What has Sanwo done? Even if he has done anything, you wait for him to finish the tenure. As they've always said that governors, they usually have immunity. If you're in power, if you're in places of power, there's immunity. If you do anything, even if you kill somebody, there's immunity for you. Abi, is that not what you people say? So they've denied it and said that they did not do anything like that. So let's just leave it at that. The official said the commission was not investigating the governor and had never invited him or threatened to arrest any member of his staff, domestic or otherwise. So who said it in the first place? Now, Nigeria and giving false information and the likes. It is well. Basi Obiora says, who give monkey banana for them to arrest Sanwo? When his Baba is on seat? Exactly. Sanwo, Tinubu speaking, APC candidate, APC member, first son. They will not go and arrest him. They cannot arrest him because his daddy is there. Even if he's not Sanwo, anybody that is affiliated to APC, even if you've done something wrong, they will not do anything to you, because this country is lawless and we've accepted it like that. No wahala. Ostineze says, Mr. Governor, if your hands are clean, why are you afraid? Are you sure that you are not stealing from your subjects? Okpa Irem says, criminals should be arrested for whatever crimes that they do. I'm sure that if he has actually done something wrong, they should arrest him, but they should at least let us know and not just assume that you want to arrest somebody and now you are denying that you did not say you want to arrest him. It is well. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.